What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another market update, market day, whatever you want to call it. So, the bears applied that pressure today on us. I ain't even gonna lie, the bears applied real pressure on us. They had Palantir down at like 22.50. I said, oh, they ain't playing today. I looked on my chart. Wish I had my iPad here. I'm gonna have it next video. They had us down in what what traders call an order block on a daily chart. It was deep in a fair value gap on the weekly. We in a level where we should hold and bounce. But if we don't hold and bounce, good Lord, they're gonna be on us. I'm not gonna lie. But for now, we in the bounce zone. So hopefully we'll see a bounce within the next few days. If we don't have a bounce within I ain't gonna put a time limit on it, but if we break significantly below this level, ooh, it's gonna get real. Because we got a whole break of structure down there from back when I think we had our earnings gap. And if that get hit, it's going to be kind of ugly. But on the fundamental side, macro side, it's behind two things, I would say. It's behind that analyst downgrade from an analyst that's been hating on us, which is cool. And it's behind the fact that we up like 200% since last year. So I get it. Everybody think the stock needs to pull back. The stock wants to pull back. That's fine. You could accumulate right now. That's great. You know what I'm saying? They want us to finish the year at 30. I want 30 at 40 or more, but you know what it is. I'm keeping my calls stretched out, so I'm not getting hit up like that on this. Most of my leaps is like the earliest is I do got a few January 2025, but most of my leaps is like June next year, January 2026. So we good because, like I say, I really don't like to play with the short-term calls with Palantir so much because they like to stall out the same way they doing now. But besides that, things are looking good, man. We just got another contract for $9.8 million. And I remember this from back in the days when Palantir used to get hit up all the time. We used to get all types of new contracts, new types of new deals, and the stock price would go down, which is cool. So it's like, this is all stuff that's going to eventually be reporting on balance sheets, eventually reporting on revenue in the future. So, you know, if you're thinking 6 months, 12 months, 18 months out, just another opportunity for people like me. You know what I'm saying? And plus, AIP now is looking good. The things I'm hearing sounding good to me. Hopefully we'll be able to roll this out to some smaller businesses, man. Because it's like, as a Palantir investor, one of the things we really want to hear one day is a smaller product. Because Palantir like one of the most expensive products in the world. Like, so if they can come with a way to really sell that to like a smaller business, or even one day to a person like me or you, we paid. Palantir no $23 stock, 25, 30, 40, because ain't none of that priced in. Ain't nothing better than when a stock start doing things that's not priced in. So right now, they say we're egregiously overvalued. I say, that's cool. That's cool. You know what I'm saying? They thought we was egregiously overvalued at $9, which was below the IPO price, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? We're just going to load up. We're just going to accumulate. We're going to take our chance out here. We ain't going to get too greedy. We ain't going to take too much risk, but we're going to make it happen with Palantir. As long as the CEO continues to execute, we should be good. We got this next quarter coming up. I'm thinking we should do good. I don't think it's going to be our crazy NVIDIA quarter or nothing. I don't think we're going to report the outrageous AIP revenue growth or nothing like that yet. But we should have some decent revenue growth. We've been trending upwards on revenue. That was one of the biggest criticisms from the Bears. You know, we was growing 16%. And they said, oh, how can you be a growth stock if you're only growing 16%? I think it was 13% at one time. And we started at like 30. So now we're back at 20. Hopefully we can start getting that revenue growth to accelerate. Because if that revenue growth accelerate, they're going to have to reprice our stock. And if they do that, we're going to get this money. So, you know, this is just a quick Palantir talk. I'm talking to all my investors. If you're not watching necessarily in the news, I'm trying to explain to you why we're going through this little dip right now. I'm going to show you the technical analysis maybe in the next video. Probably in the next video, I'm going to start showing you guys technical analysis, showing you the levels that I'm watching if we break to see if we go lower. But for now, we're good. We're going to see if this thing bounce. If it don't bounce, it's going to go low. But in the long term, everything's still looking good, man. This Palantir, Printer Gang Investments. I'm a Palantard, and I live in the Shire. And yeah, I'm going to see all you guys in the Shire. It's your boy Steve, Printer Gang Investments. I'm out.